Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to do this problem. So it's a little different today because these problems are sent by students. So I'm just going to solve for them. I think it's about 4 or 5. I'm going to solve for them real quick. So I'm gonna do one video for each of them. This is the first one. So this is problem 3C, and it says add and simplify. So this one here is basically about adding fractions. It's about adding fractions, but the only difference is instead of having a number, we have a variable called x, which means we can think about it like a number, but it's not a number. It's a variable. It's a variable. So the way we do it is we need to look for the common denominator. Because the two denominator is not common, what we do is we have to remember, if it's numbers and the denominator is not common, what you need to do is you just multiply the denominators. So you do the exact same thing when you have variable. Because these two numbers are not, these two denominators are not common, you just multiply them and you put them in the denominator right here. When I multiply them, I can say take x times x plus 1. I have x times x plus 1. Okay? So, remember the sign I told you when I was doing the how to add fraction or to add and subtract fraction? This is the sign you need to remember. Okay, if I do this sign right here, so what do I get? I have to multiply these two and get the denominator. I have to multiply this x, you see the arrow? It goes to 9, so I have to multiply it by 9. So 9 times x is equal to 9x. I have a plus sign in the middle. I put plus right here. Okay, so I have x plus 1 times 3. So it's 3 times x plus 1. Okay, so it says add and simplify. I already added right here. I'm done with adding. Now I need to simplify it. Okay, simplify it, make it look nicer. What can I do with this? I can multiply by 3, multiply by 1. Okay, so I have 9x plus 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, divided by x times x. I can leave this as is, but I can also multiply. So it's going to be x squared plus x, or I can leave it like this. It's not a problem. This shouldn't be a problem. I can leave it like this. Okay, so what can I do with the top? I have xy here, xy here. I can combine like terms. I can combine the like terms. So that would give me 9 plus 3. That gives me 12. 12x plus 3 divided by x times x plus 1. Okay, so is there any more simplification to this? I can also say, like, let's say if I want to simplify by 3, I can factor out by 3 right here. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4x plus 3. That will give you 3 times 4 is 12x plus 3 times 1 is 3. So I just factor out a 3. So I I can give it in this way or in this way. It's not really a big difference. So they both the right answers. Okay. So what they want you to do is, by simplifying, is right here to combine the like terms. So that's the basic adding two numbers. Okay, 9 plus 3 is 12, and we have x, so that's 12x. That's it. All right.